What are press-ons really made of? Most people don't know what their press-on nails are actually made of. There are 3 different materials on the market right now, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to choose and which one to avoid. 1. The first material, ABS. The most common material you will find in press-on nails is ABS. That stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. It is a hard, rigid plastic. To give you a reference point, ABS is the same material used in Lego bricks, in the casing of electronics, and in certain car parts. It is everywhere in manufacturing because it is inexpensive to produce at scale and easy to mold into precise shapes. In the nail industry, ABS became the default material for press-ons because of that affordability. It holds color well, takes a glossy finish easily, and can be manufactured in large quantities without significant quality variation. But there is a structural limitation that comes with that rigidity. ABS does not flex. When it is placed under pressure, it does not bend to absorb the impact. It breaks. So if you have ever had a press-on snap clean in half, or if the edges start lifting after just one day of wear, the material itself is likely contributing to that. That does not make ABS a bad material across the board, but understanding what it is helps you set the right expectations for how it will perform. 2. The second material, acrylic, also known as PMMA. PMMA stands for polymethyl methacrylate. This is the same base material used in traditional salon nail extensions, the ones applied directly onto the natural nail with a liquid and powder system. It has been the industry standard in professional nail services for decades, which means its properties are very well understood. In press-on form, acrylic produces a thinner, lighter result than ABS. The surface sits closer to the natural nail, which makes the overall look more realistic and the wear feel less bulky on the finger. It also tends to be more resistant to yellowing over time, which is relevant if you are working with lighter or more translucent shades. From a structural standpoint, acrylic is harder and more durable than ABS. It does not snap as easily under pressure, and it maintains its shape better over longer periods of wear. The trade-off is cost. PMMA is more complex and more expensive to work with than ABS, which is why you will find it in mid to high range press-on products rather than mass market options. If you are looking for a press-on that performs closer to a professional salon result, acrylic is the material that bridges that gap. 3. The third material, TPU. TPU stands for thermoplastic polyurethane. It is the newest of the 3 materials in the press-on nail space, and it is gaining significant traction in the industry, particularly among higher quality and professional grade brands. What makes TPU different from ABS and acrylic is its flexibility. Unlike the other 2, TPU has a degree of elasticity built into its structure. It bends under pressure rather than cracking or snapping. This makes it considerably more resistant to the kind of daily wear that causes most press-ons to fail, things like typing, opening packages, or general hand use throughout the day. That flexibility also means TPU conforms more naturally to the curve of the nail bed. The fit tends to be closer and more comfortable, which reduces the lifting at the edges that is so common with rigid materials. From a finish standpoint, TPU can be produced with a very thin profile, which contributes to a more natural look overall. It is also more resistant to yellowing and discoloration over time compared to ABS. The main reason TPU has not completely replaced ABS in the market is cost. It is more expensive to produce, which is reflected in the retail price. But as the technology becomes more accessible, it is increasingly available across different price points. 4. Materials comparison. Now that we have covered each material individually, here is how they compare directly. ABS is the most widely available and the most affordable. It is rigid, which makes it more prone to snapping under pressure and more likely to lift at the edges with daily wear. It is a functional material, but it has clear structural limitations. Acrylic sits in the middle. It is harder and more durable than ABS, gives a thinner and more natural finish, and holds up better over time. The trade-off is price. You will pay more for it, but the performance reflects that. TPU is the most flexible of the 3 and the most resistant to daily wear. It conforms better to the nail bed, lifts less, and lasts longer under normal use conditions. It is also the most expensive to produce, though it is becoming more accessible as the material becomes more widely adopted in the industry. The material that is right for you depends on how you use your hands, how long you want your press-ons to last, and what your budget allows. 5. What you need to know before your next purchase. Most press-on nail brands do not list the material on their packaging. There is no industry requirement to disclose it, so the majority of products simply do not include that information. You will see shade names, wear time claims, and application instructions, but the actual material the nail is made from is rarely mentioned. When brands do list it, the material you will most commonly see is ABS, which, as we covered, is the most affordable option to produce. That is not a coincidence. It is a reflection of where most of the mass market currently sits. This means that as a consumer, you are often making a purchase decision without one of the most relevant pieces of information. Knowing the 3 materials and what they mean gives you a framework to ask better questions. Read between the lines of product descriptions and understand why certain press-ons perform differently from others. The more informed you are about what you are putting on your nails, the better the decisions you can make. At BusanBare, we believe that having beautiful nails should never come at the cost of their health. That belief led us to look for better solutions, and we found them in Korean beauty technology, one of the most advanced and innovative industries in the world. The result is BareFlex, our TPU-based press-on nail line, developed to give you the look you want without compromising the nails underneath.